Hi everybody, I'm Mia, and I know it's farm week at your school, and I have a really good friend who let me come on her farm and show you guys, and I have a really big surprise for you. Come on! So over here I have all my friends. They're alpacas, and if you listen very closely you might be able to hear them humming, and they're humming because they want to go over there and eat some yummy grass. So listen very carefully. This is their breakfast, and I love breakfast. Ow! Don't take me. So what I just put in their food dishes is their vitamins and their supplements for the morning, and this is basically their breakfast. So this is Snow White, and we're really excited because she is pregnant and she could have her baby any second or any day. And so we're really excited that we're gonna have a new cria.
And then walk her out.
Here I have Mystique, and she's a cria right now, which is a baby alpaca. And so it goes cria, weanling, and a weanling is when an alpaca no longer needs its mommy's milk anymore, and they can eat grain and hay, and so it no longer needs its mommy's milk. So it goes cria, weanling, and then an adult. Sometimes it can be pretty hard to catch an alpaca, especially the babies. So right here we have Mia Dora, and she's the oldest alpaca on the ranch, and she's 20 and a half years old. And alpacas usually only live from 15 to 20 years old. And knowing that she's the oldest, she's probably the sweetest as well. I'm going to show you the alpaca's teeth. So what they have is they have molars in the back, on top and bottom, and they have sizers on the bottom, and so they have a row of teeth on the bottom, but they have no teeth on the top, so it's a dental pad. So if you look, you can see the little dental pad right here in their bottom teeth. Good girl. So right here is the animal's fleece, and I wish you were here to feel how soft it is. It's super very soft, and what happens is someone comes over and gives all the alpacas a little haircut, and this is what comes from them. And then what we do is we send all of this to a mill, and what happens is a machine combs it all out, and then we send it to another machine where it becomes yarn, and then we send it to another place and they'll make hats out of it, or other things like gloves or scarves. So as you can see, the alpacas love coming out into big fields like this, and they love to eat grass. And sometimes you have to come out here with a really big tractor and drag the field so that you can fertilize the grass and make it extra special for them. So I'm over here at another really good friend's farm, and they have turkeys, chickens, and ducks. And so we're gonna go take a look at them. And I've been here for a very long time, and so I know the chickens and ducks and turkeys all very well. You gotta watch your head over here because they have a little electric fence to keep all the foxes out. So let's see if there are any eggs in here because they lay eggs every day. Oh, there's some eggs and some chickens. There's so many eggs out here, and the chickens lay eggs every day, and different types of chickens lay different color eggs. So if you can see, there's this little green-blue egg and a regular cream-colored egg. So here's one of the turkeys, and he's all puffed up for us and wants to look special. So this right here is my favorite rooster. His name is Coconut. And if you can see, he's got a crazy hairdo going. Two chickens, and right now they're taking a bath. And what chickens do is they clean themselves in dust. And don't you think that's kind of silly, cleaning yourself in dirt? Working on a farm is a lot of fun to be around all the animals, but it's also a lot of hard work.
because it's an exit. And give her a long lead line. And move your arm back. Yep. And then let it slap. Oh, there you go. Good girl.
Thank you so much, guys, for joining me, and I really hope you enjoyed seeing all the alpacas and the babies. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!